graduation. Matatapos-tapos lang. At naglabasa na ang lahat. Ayan. Yes. Yes, congrats sa lahat na nag-graduate. Ayan po, naglalabasan na sila. Ayan. Nakikita nyo? Ayan o, naglalabasan na.
Sa araw nito, gagraduate kayo. Pero ang isang word na ginagamit sa graduation ay tinatawag ng commencement. Ibig sabihin yan ng commencement. Pasimula. It is time to commence doing something more. It's not enough that you simply graduate with a degree. But it is nothing with your degree. Your equipping, your training, the world demands.
Amen. Dito. Amin yan. Amen.